تحياتي. الفيديو التالي بالإنجليزية، الفيديو باللغة العربية. تجدون الرابط في الوصف أسفل هذا الفيديو. Guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna talk about the alternative websites, alternative AI websites for Midjourney AI. You know that Midjourney AI is so famous and you can generate so amazing realistic images. So before I go, don't forget to like this video, comment below for any questions, share with your friends, visit my YouTube channel, visit the playlist in my YouTube channel. Check out playlist in English language. If you are interested in my content, just subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, so let's go.
A Palestinian developer named Khalil Shreateh.
Khalil Shreateh is information technology specialist.
خليل شريطة سيكون معنا عبر سكايب.
Security researcher Khalil Shreateh.
Systems information pro from Palestine. Maria, I spoke to hacker Khalil Shreateh, Palestinian programmer Khalil Shreateh.
Khalil Shreateh.
Khalil Shreateh.
This is what Khalil did. Khalil is a Palestinian hacker from the West Bank.
من فلسطين فاز خليل شريطة.
Hello again, guys. So before we go, don't forget to like this video, okay? It's the important thing. So the first website we're gonna talk about here, which is alternative to Midjourney, playground.ai. So let's go to playground.ai. For sure, in this tutorial, guys, I'm not gonna talk about how to register on these websites, because registration in these websites, you need just to follow your email address, username, first name, password, or you can just log in with your Gmail account. So I'm not going to talk about how to log into these websites. For sure, I know that you can do it by yourself. So this is the first website, which is playground.ai. As you see here, this website is so amazing. It has some realistic pictures or realistic generated images. Look at this one here. It shows you the prompt. Even you can copy the prompt and you can use it back again, or you can modify the prompt. In this website, the most useful thing I like when you go to create from the top right corner is that you can, from the right, you can choose the model, the size of the image. You can edit some settings here, number of generated images. I'm gonna leave it for 1 because this is a test tutorial. On the left, you can choose the filter. For the filter here, I like mostly to choose the okay, these are so amazing filters, guys. I think they added newly. Let's go to cinematic. Okay, mostly I like to do cinematic. So let's go for dog with red scarf and hit the generate button to see how accurate this AI can generate. What is this dog with a scarf? I don't like this dog, guys. So let's change the filter and let's choose Play-Doh and generate back again. Oh, it's funny. Okay. Let's scroll down. This is the most interesting feature that I like in this website. Scroll down to image, upload an image here. Let's just upload an image for myself. Scroll down below the image, you will get the edit with mask. Hit the edit with mask button. You'll see your picture here. Hover your mouse and you will see that add mask. Hit it. Now here you can, or you have an option where you can just place a mask and give a prompt to modify just in this mask area. So let me just modify my, this so big line. Let's reduce it, make it for like 24, and let's just hover on my glasses. Okay, and let's tell them that add sunglasses. Okay, I want to modify that sunglasses to another sunglasses. Okay, just a modification for this picture, and let's see the results. It should not take that long. Oh, this one is cool, right, guys? Because you see here, this is the real image. Let's just clean the mask. This is the real image, and this is the AI generated image. You can download it and save it in your computer. This is the first website, which is playgroundai.com. You can use it. You can enjoy using this website. It's completely free, but you need to read the terms of use of these websites. Some websites that add watermarks, some doesn't allow you to use the generated images by this by such AI for commercial use. So you need to read terms of use for sure, guys. The second website is Bing.com, which comes from Microsoft.com, powered by dall-e. As you see here, some pictures, amazing pictures that generated by this AI, which is dall-e or dall-e. You can hit any picture to get its prompt, same as the other websites. As here, panda cooking. Let's go and hit our prompt tag with red scarf without any mask or anything. Hit create, and this you need also to log in Bing.com before you start using this one. And as you see from the top right corner here, I'm already logged in. Now it's generating. Let's just wait. And here is our generated images. Dog with red scarf. Not bad picture, right? I think it's so close to Midjourney, or maybe it's same as Midjourney in generating images. You can explore Bing.com to create more images. Let's go to the third website, which is ClubDrop Stable Diffusion. This website, okay, comes with style. Let's choose a style here, and I want to choose which one, guys? Cinematic. Mostly I choose cinematic, right? Okay, now let's choose cat with red scarf. I don't know why I always choose red scarf. Why it's not a blue scarf? Maybe because red scarf is more beautiful on animals than. Oh, this one is cute, right? Look at this kitty here. This one is cool, but if you notice here, there is a watermark on this picture. This website adds a watermark on the generated images. This means that it has the copyright of these images, as you see here. So you need to go for premium, I think, to avoid or to buy these pictures. Let's go back. Where is the back button? Okay, we can scroll down. Let's go from the beginning. ClubDrop.ai. Second, try for free. Tools. This website, try for free. Okay. This website has multiple tools that you can discover, as you see here. Anyway, let's go to the fourth website, which is Lexica Art. Lexica Art. I just got amazed when I recorded the Arabic tutorial of this version of YouTube tutorial. This Lexica is so amazing. I got shocked while using this AI. It has some wonderful generated images, and you can just copy any of these prompts and modify them. So wonderful, so amazing. Look at this cat. For example, you can hit this cat, and you can copy the prompt, and you can modify this for your own. It's just here, and then instead of search, let's choose generate, and here you can this the generated images before in the Arabic tutorial. Look how cute these cats are. Let's paste this prompt. A cute chippy cat. Let's instead of cat, let's add dog. Represent a new year. Unreal Engine. Okay, let me add 5. Unreal Engine 5. Okay, Unreal Engine 5. This is the engine that uses to for creating games. And let's generate, and let's see the result. Let's see the magic. I like this website actually, guys. Lexica.art. Look at this. Look at these cute dogs. These images are so amazing. I don't know if I can use them for commercial use or not. Most AI images you can use them in commercial use, but you need first to read the terms of use on these websites. The fifth website, guys, is the Leonardo.ai. I kept it for the last because I think that this one, beside Lexica, are the most websites that you can use as an alternative for Midjourney AI. Okay, for this moment, this website or Leonardo AI needs you to get early access. Maybe after 1 day, 2 day, 1 month, maybe you are watching this video and the early access ends and you can just subscribe or log in with your email address. But anyway, at this moment, to use this AI, you need to add your email and do some steps. But instead of that, just follow these simple steps. From the top right corner, launch app, hit it, and then choose that you are listed. Once you choose that you are listed, you are whitelisted, okay, it asks you to log in with your username and password or create an account. Just log in with your Gmail account. Choose Gmail, and then you can just use this AI. This is the simple steps. I already logged in, so once I hit yes, I am whitelisted, it's gonna take me directly to start using this AI. As you see here, I have the rights to use this AI, and here are some cool pictures that you can copy the prompts or modify or search even for pictures that you want to take immediately instead of generating some pictures like this one, for example. You can download and use it. I don't know if there is copyright for this AI or not, but you can read the terms of use on this website. This is so cool. This is so amazing, guys. This AI is wonderful. Believe me. There are some cool pictures here, amazing pictures. Look at this one. It looks like real. Looks like someone took this picture by a camera. Amazing, actually, guys. So amazing. Okay, to generate, you can actually first you can search in gallery here, or to generate, you can go here from the left, AI image generation, and you can type whatever text you want to type. I already generated these images while recording the Arabic tutorial: a cat with red scarf and a moon in background. So let's do something else here. Let's type, okay, here's our prompt. Okay, I want this last 3 words. Okay, realistic 4K masterpiece, but let's do like that: dog eating watermelon, and full body shot. Let's see if this AI can generate this sentence or not. I know that it's a stupid prompt, but it's just for testing, okay, and making some fun in this video. So it's just gonna take a little seconds, and oh, whoa, here our dog is eating some watermelon. Okay, not bad. I think, okay, you know that okay, it's a little bit funny. No. Anyway, guys, this is for all for now. This is the best AI alternative for Midjourney. Don't forget to like this video, comment below, share with your friends. Okay, subscribe my YouTube channel if you like the content, and see you in future tutorial. Bye bye.